Much mahalo for Vivian, Gaspar, and Ron Rossnick with presenting to University of Hawaii system students about elevating your job interview and speaking skills. The tips shared were wonderful and simple to learn. Students can utilize all these tips over a period of time to help them in their adventure with learning and applying for different jobs. Also, Ron and Vivian, you were so motivational and helpful with letting the students know that it's okay. It's okay to try again and to seek adventure and to really make time for themselves and a time where they can learn and listen and give themselves permission to gain confidence in their personal skills. So thanks again for helping our University of Hawaii system students. Mahalo.